Hey there friends! I am so excited to introduce you to the April 2020 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. There's so much to look at this month, but let's start out with the monthly kit. Okay, let's check out this kit. I can already tell the colors are going to be beautiful and springy, and I think I'm going to be right. Let me find the die cuts here. Those are always my favorite part of any kit because they give you kind of an overview of what the kit colors are and what the kit is all about. So we have some really pretty corals and teals and orchids and reds. There's a plethora of colors this month. Some neutral grays and blacks too, which I always love having blacks. I love having this morning, this evening, this afternoon, daily routine, some great arrows for embellishment. These are hexagons here. 2 thumbs up, celebrate the day. Really fun. Great die cuts this month. Let's take a look at the 4x6s, the details of this week. There's a fun pattern, multicolored tag here, and this pretty green one, which I love this green. Can't get enough of that green. Perfect. And then let's take a look at the 3x4s. So there's multicolor hatches there. There's an orchid one. The story of today. Every moment with you is my favorite. Top 5 right now. Thanks, Mom. That would be perfect for a card. Pretty coral one. Some flowers. Work in progress. I think we all need that one. This is a preview of something else I'm about to show you, so it's really exciting. Love grows here. Look at this awesome daisy card. I love that one. I think that might be my favorite this month. Yellow, green, let the good times roll. Weekends are for, fill in the blank. Let's go somewhere fun. And then 3 facts. So that is the kit this month. Lots of awesome colors, some really springy, pretty designs like this flowery one, and just some great tags for doing anything with. Okay, next up we have some basic grid journaling tags, and we can always use some basics. These are really fun. Look at these. It's kind of in a gray tone. And we have grids and lines and dotted lines and all sorts of fun things here. Aren't those great? The next set of journaling tags that I have to show you are called the Plant Lady journaling tags. And these are pretty darn awesome. I love the illustrations. Take a look at that. Plant Lady, bloom where you are planted, watering cans, excited to watch you grow, which is a really nice one. April showers bring May flowers, we hope. A pretty coral card and some gardening tools. So super fun ones there for all your spring gardening documentation, or your flowers that you want to record, or your kids that are growing. Just love this set. These are the April labels, and they coordinate perfectly with the kit and have all the words that you want to record right now. Next up, we have the office sticker labels, office label stickers. How awesome are these? I love all of the colors, and they just peel off and look like, you know, those old office labels that we used to have lying around. Not so much anymore. The Life Right Now stickers have typecast words and phrases, as well as banner phrases as well that you can add to your projects. Beautiful Day die cuts. Let's take a look at these because there is so much goodness in here to look at. I'm going to try to get them all out on the right side. So look at all these amazing words for creating titles. Noteworthy, celebrate, moment, favorite, day, beautiful, enjoying, remember, and love. Then we have lots of flowers. Look at all these daisies. I just love them. Some multicolored flowers. There's the watering can again. Trying to get all of these out. Here's another word. This. Some more daisies. Watering can. Some leaves. Some single posies here. So you can kind of scatter those around your projects. And then lots and lots of labels. How awesome is this set? I am really excited about embellishing my pages and projects with those. Next up we have the This Week chipboard stickers. And these chipboard stickers are really fabulous because they are quite thin. It's really hard for me to show you here, but you don't have to worry about these taking up a lot of bulky space on your projects. There's circles, there's half circles, there's banners, there's labels, and all sorts of different phrases and sayings. So these are the This Week chipboard stickers. Next up we have the lovely Puffy stickers, and I would definitely call these lovely. Lots of flowers again in the same kind of colors that you had before. Some phrases, some big words that you can use for titles. There's so much to use on here, and you can use them along with the die cut set, the Beautiful Day die cuts, and have a different texture. Speaking of different textures, take a look at these wood veneers. These are the spring wood veneers, and you have phrases like sunshine and smiles, spring break, so pretty, excited for a new season. You can use this big spring word and paint that and use it in a title. Then you have flowers and heart as well. Love that. Then we have the Good Times wood veneer. So awesome to use for a title. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to show you the stamps, which are always my favorite part. We have the Springtime Tab stamp, and this one will coordinate with the matching dies that are already in the shop, the tabs dies. And this one has a lot of awesome springtime words and phrases, like farmer's market. I love that one. Fresh and good, so very lovely. Beauty everywhere. So I just love this set. There's so many great things in here. You also have the office label from the office label stickers. You have that label here that you can add those into as well. Okay, so excited about this one, the Typewriter alphabet stamp. Last month, Elle brought out the Typewriter alphabet stickers, and now we have the stamp, and it has all of these as well. And you know, so you have your punctuations, you have your lowercase and your uppercase. So this is the Typewriter alphabet stamp, and I think it's going to be a game changer for me. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the April 2020 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I know you guys will love creating with these products as much as I did, so be sure to click the link in my video notes to grab them while you can. And on the first day that the kit is released, you can get that kit for $9.99 for that 24-hour period only. So be sure to grab that and all of the amazing add-ons this month. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!